but let's talk about some of the benefits of going on a gluten-free diet in case you are somebody that is struggling with maybe one of these chronic issues. So some of the areas where gluten intolerance can show up is gastrointestinal. That's definitely what happened with me. There was a lot of bloating, a lot of stomach aches. Basically, after everything I ate, I was uncomfortable. Other areas that gluten intolerances or celiac disease can show up is in migraines. If you're somebody that struggles a lot with migraines, that can definitely be something that is triggered by a gluten allergy, as well as some brain fog and chronic fatigue. So if you're kind of walking around and you're just like feeling like you're constantly in the daze, maybe you're just tired all the time, those can sometimes be indicators that you do have a gluten intolerance or a gluten allergy. So those are just some of the, like a handful of some of the symptoms. I would say those are kind of the more common symptoms of gluten intolerance and gluten allergy. So if you do fall in some of those buckets, then this could potentially be something that would be beneficial to you.